Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is the first video that I'm uploading on YouTube just to let you know that what all the simple steps that you're going to follow in order to install or in order to configure your Amazon Fire Stick on your LED TV. And if you have a LED TV and you have been looking for an option to make your LED TV smart, so as per my understanding, that Amazon Fire Stick is definitely going to be the easiest and convenient way of doing that. So let's watch this video, and I have tried to make the process as easy as possible so that anyone can go ahead and configure an Amazon Fire Stick on your TV. So in this video I'm going to show you that what are the differences that you would find from generation 1 versus generation 2 remote in that particular box, that what all the accessories that you get. So after that we're going to start with the installation process. So without any further ado, let's watch the intro. We are going to come back shortly. Thank you.
It's just me and you.
So let's first see that how does the box look like. So this is how the box look like, and if you just look at it here, so there are multiple applications that can be downloaded. So it is important to let you know that two recommendations that what Amazon says. One, that your LED TV should have HDMI port, and second, you should have high-speed internet, because you do not like to watch movies with buffering. Now let me now talk about the remotes. So this is generation 1 remote, and this is generation 2 remote. So if you just look at the remotes carefully, so you would be able to see the differences. So this is the generation 2 remote, so which has power button here, so which has volume, so which has volume control and the mute button. Okay, otherwise this section is absolutely the same like generation 1. So generation 1 remote does not have anything like that. So that means that with this remote you can control your television as well. So you can mute, you can increase or decrease the volume, and also you can power it off and power it back on using the same remote. One remote is gonna suffice the need. So apart from that, it comes with a couple of booklets. I have one right now, I have misplaced the other one, so which generally talks about that how to configure your television. It talks about that how to configure your Amazon Fire Stick in your TV. All right, let me just still show you. I have one image. Let me just show you on the next slide, next section of my video, that what all the accessories are included. Yeah. HDMI extender, then power adapter, USB cable, then your Bluetooth remote, two AAA batteries, and the main unit. Now once your adapter is properly connected to the HDMI port, now we would have this screen, and on this particular screen it is asking you to press and hold the home button for 10 seconds. Now press the play button and choose your language, and the language should be English India. Now it's going to scan for the Wi-Fi networks available here to place. So best part is it's going to support 2.4 and 5G both. So let me just quickly go ahead and put the password in, and my Wi-Fi is connected now. Now it's going to look for the latest update if it is available, and then it's going to download. Now it's gonna ask you to enter your Amazon account details. So please put your username and password in, and once done, so it's gonna show up that it has recognized you as a customer, and it's gonna show up your name. Just like an example, it's gonna show up my name. Next thing is that it's gonna ask you to save the Wi-Fi password in the Amazon account. So this is parental control. If you'd like to add the parental control, you can do that now, or you can skip it for later. Now you're gonna pair your television with the remote. So first you need to look for the brand of your television from this list. So since I'm using iFalcon, I'm gonna select iFalcon from this particular list, and it has a huge database, so you would find all of your television listed on this particular list. Now here you need to press the volume up and down button, and once done, so your remote is already configured now. Now this is the place that you need to download the applications that you're gonna use frequently. So I'll quickly select all the applications that I have subscriptions. So, and after selection of all the applications, I'm gonna press the menu play button from the remote, and it's gonna start downloading automatically at the background. Now finally comes the home page. This is how the home page looks like, and you have all the applications that you have requested in the previous stage to download at the background, so it start getting downloaded automatically. So still, if you would like to download any application on your own, let me just show you how you can do that. You just select the application and you just tap on it, and it's going to download automatically and install. Now let me open Prime Video to watch a couple of videos, just to show you the picture quality. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. So please like and subscribe to this channel, and keep visiting this channel because I'm gonna come back with new videos shortly. Thank you. Take care.